Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Endra me the breaking news bremo say EC Electoral Commission officials womo ewo kaswa baby a friend no Step to Christ Registration Center. Endra womu dwane ye as yese nkrofo bi eba ho ebetutu tio. Me mamoti ase say nkrofo a ewo ho ema yeti ase say nipa kra wo ba ho ebetutu tio no the MPP MP was also a Minister for Special Initiative. I a friend of Hawa Kumsin or your bar. Na mekasa and meka say, well, someone yate say ye de atono so say one no and an encrow for Abawa, Womabe to Tutia, Woma Sanso Ashe encrow for motorbikes. Na assembly de police for Afre Hawa Kumsin no and the NDC parliamentary candidate who is also a lady. Police for Toto Omwano. For just for us yesterday to MC Assembly by ya report ya and Chebia and a interview Hawa Kumsin. And a Hawa Kumsin Nankasa ne Numutu or say Anne or Nankasa no watri etio na or Toto ye ever registration center ho. And I say, hey, me put there, me find say Ebiana a Assem kekeniye de to ni slow. Just a one Nankasa ne Numutu e confirm ye ewa Adum TV. And other radio stations and TV stations say yes, or no one will treat you to yet. And you can say, hey, now as MP, now walk or treat you know what to a registration center, they say no, or say Anne, and Crawford at threaten say, or no, wo and I will who say Crawford be at the moto, ebe surround day, a year and the guys back on one more cars. Now who say the moto about Abba surrounding and Crawford cars now. And I was treating it, you know, naturally said, what two it you know. Now, no, what two it you know, say, what best can crow for non crow for it, and Uncle for Catton say, hey, madam, registration center, what yes, I didn't know honor. Police for so we are MP. Now, what shall I say, in Yama Enko ya police for what mobile Joe. Now, someone got a what tree it you know what to a registration center, dear, hey, madam. In a public space just like that, who MP. I was also a minister. What's the work of you to? And that police for war. And no say no be a MP. No, then police commander. War constituency no name na. Now say ane police commander. War me constituency no. Or ye new policeman. Na meaning the number. Hey, and I'm going to say, madam, in some way, dear, Dabi. And there's a son like ye kana. Nanka MP bia and a parliamentarian. There will do baby. I will feel listen crofo be surrounding the or bet you to. Na excuse a who made it. Just say it is any Ghana for air super no social media and easy and me no ka say needing air trend pa oko Twitter needing air trend at number 2. And you see things in some say na ya make no. Obo say President Akufo-Addo what ni baby dream ni hu. Obo say na the minister and na the MP akwa ye bibi say na afi ye de abesan no. People are using this as an opportunity. Right now, her name is trending at number 1. Nidin is trending at number 1. And people are using this as an opportunity to even insult the president of the land. And Bra said, Madam, no opportunity you at our registration center. No, Akufo-Addo will name her. What opportunity you at our registration center? No one boy Akufo-Addo amaniye. What opportunity you at our registration center? And you Akufo-Addo ne man clearance. Now, so Sunday by no, about the President Akufo-Addo so. And it is normal. Ghana has a sanity. Or mind bia, just a Ghana has a bibia sa. Bibia BCBA the best president. Inti anana Ghana for sorry our more at 2 or no. Etia Madam Hawa Kumsin. Our more air catcher and say, hey, Madam, hey. Send your colors a hinkra, or your minister was also your MP Asabi. When ya coronavirus about the registration center, yen na ye be boni chino. Our resign ye no also the same thing resign. Resign 1 penny total and penny new year. Resign it. Just say people are even using this as an opportunity to speak against women. Asema will be can say ane emba dia sa se wo komamba opportunity no benya power pe na fa etrimude se wo oba wa registration center akotwe etu ato. Hey, imbe makra nye sa ye na wo oba. And you see how people are using this to even speak against women. It's here for assembly the enye me de ne crack my men can the crancho. Assembly the bar. Put to one side, the yarn was what the second side. And bra more registration center. I've even seen videos my men no registration center for no they were hooting at her. Almost oh she because I did our year no more registration center holding no more who said that be and try ye. But what I'm saying no, and I say our ministers and MPs should really be responsible. Now what be our MP sounds your minister. So what could treat you when you our registration center? I mean, does that sound good to you? And how is that even sounding to you? Registration center, police for war, security for war. At least if I'm nothing at all, now in for air register or what we MPP for cry. What could treat you? Issue to a registration center ho. I'm not say easy. Officials no ejane. And that me no can say easy. On one babontain electoral commission. A babontain. Eden krata aba say wo yes ade no yenchi wo muntum not just say easy person indirectly work say minister no police won chin intum but you and I know say police one minister no wo munya ne hwe you and I know say minister no yenya ne hwe na ade ye see no you say police penyi afre minister na ene ne ye meeting yesterday I told you say eye me na nka me ko ye sa ade no e wo ka so a na nka ye mfre me say ye ne me ye meeting. Inti adan ena minister ye bibisa na e was a police for fresh say ye ni minister na ye meeting. Sorry for that. Em say Ghana for mo abrochi no na will be a free atre na adwen. But you see adan ena was a banesa. Eti for dem make am what ase there. Adan na was a banesa. Minister Nankasa ne numuto EC Electoral Commission and Nkrofo Ghana has say ekuo Kofi Annan Institute of Peace Peacekeeping wa wote omudia Kofi Annan Institute and na wo mosanso peacekeeping wo mo panyi aba abonten ka say minister no e wo say ye pame no because it is very very disgraceful. Let me read a comment to you guys and you see how people are turning this thing on the president. Well, this is disgraceful. Ekufuado's minister for special initiatives, Hawa Kumsin, fired gunshots at a registration center in Kaswa today. We demand her immediate dismissal and be arraigned before court for publicly displaying a gun. Ekufuado must show leadership this time. Once any assembly ya deba to President Ekufuado so now so ebia na minister yi MP wo koye na ade yi Ekufuado woni mu hwe Ekufuado te ne baby ya adwen ne ho so ye de akwa baba besa no just say me se ma me na enka ono ankasa admit ne kra no me hu dreaming ase ya ne yana me twie tuo no to ye masa ya nhwe ne ya bebi oman ye akoi enyo mama wati asese a lot of experts are saying say enyama bi wo ho aga na ye ya it can even attract terrorism to us enyama we eka ho say a minister of state and an MP will go to a registration center and pull a gun and shoot the gun. And she will be proud to come on TV to say yes. Anyway, it is the truth we want from our minister. So what can the crane now? Yeah, then I say what can the crane no. But where you are gibia say me na me ya you bet me atum. Aden na minister na ya. Bonam ho sa. This is the country we live in. Omaya your team ni. Omaya your team ni. Adia ne krano omo that particular registration center ne krano mo say minister ne krano because e bi mo asem a wo mo kan mo say minister ne krano na asem a wo kan enye accurate na etio no enye ba kope esi etio no ono na okase wo tu etio no but yesi etio no omo wo ho EC officials na wo mu dwane ye no yesi etio tutuo no enye etio ba kope na eto ye nkrofo twitwi etuo na wo moto inti minister na ka say wono ani tuo na woto ye no wo downplay the incident because now the boys now woni omonam so ekrekre tuo ema wo mo shi motorbikes nkrofo motorbikes wo mo shi we have pictures of the motorbikes that were bent. We have pictures of the motorbike that were bent. Me won't dream you. We won't dream. In the first place, as a minister going to a registration center, you have a gun on you. Hey, what's that? And then I dream upon how they call it. You can't tell me whatever I want to say, and they're for protection. Master, as a minister, I can't yes say, or software, sorry, or software neighbor, sorry, no, Nasabi, or the etio asheno. What cry will you know? How will you feel? Minister call registration center, baby, I hear two about. Walk on with the etio asheno. Motive ben or the call. Because registration center has police officials. We've seen videos of her at the registration center and Grofo Huti Atono. Now police on in the air kasa. It is all kasa no one say police for her. It is a lie because we've seen videos of it. You've seen videos. Police on in the kasa registration center. It is all kasa police for you. I mean completely registration center been a police any. But you went there with a gun. You pulled the gun out according to your own words. You pulled the gun out and you shot. Media. So same way, the minister yan chena so pa. Enye. Because you see the message it is sending. And they said the opposition in so ebesha say wo mo eko bibia. Hwe eno mo nkrofo hwe video bi ba bon say am nkrofo ebo Sam George ti. I feel Sam Crawford better as someone as Sam George. What can I say? Sam George say NBC for and the BBC ya press conference. BBC ya press conference. Say massa, musumu mbo mo ho ban mo nko registration centers na mo mbo mo ho ban. Musumu pam nkrofo ni bi. MPP for ba so mo omo be ya na musumu ni omo aye. Sam George say wono ni registration center. MPP ni bi be ye. We gidi wo ho and NDC ni bi bo MPP ni na sum o se wo no Sam George do ho no e na wo yi ska e de share NDC ni na wo bo MPP ni na sum say hey why ya de say wa bo akra na sum MPP for ne ba ebedim wa asem wa ha mo bo mo that actor Sam George ye no obi beka say he is inciting violence and people were bashing him for saying that, but things like this ebe man grofo atia say and there Sam George kan ye no yanso yenye bi just registration, see what is going on and then anka about to den ebesi registration keke ye call registration center e go twi etuo and they about to what to say bia center bi wo ho polling station and a polling center bi wo ho a e bia what to say ho no enkoye e mawa abi ene de rocket na abakwa kwatwe wo ho ana bomb e na obekwa kwato ho bomb pa and the back to. And you see, this will inform people to say and there was one more car, one bomb home by one fit you. O ko na wa ko tue to na ndisi ni bi so o na ono so ko no ko tue to a. Say asema ba. Oba besia. Oba tampa, oba besia. We do registration center say one kasa wa tue tu ato. Hey! Me there I am one. I know this morning the MPP PR team, some of them will try as much as possible to defend her because Andra enyumre esi ya na mete say me ankasa me senior man Nana B akwa kotina UTV and I will defend it. Say ane say and say obviously you know the politics remu asa but deep down you know say adiana mame ne ye no enye because NDC ni bi na ye ya NDC ni bi na ye na normal person na ye ya me nya so so be ba bonti aba be defend this and drama the story be bremo abrante bi a wo call ne girl o free school SS student o free school call ne girl ho one ne girl aye de obeye wi a ne girl so woman ne 50 cedis so you niska ne girl twe sekan na abrante ne che eje sekan no e de bobo ne girl ne mfe ene chese ne moma so ekun girl no abrante ne hu ne say self defense because girl ne na twe sekan you but and me know ka say abrante no ya chi na atum a ye de no e call court still other remand ye de no call court Ndrechi still other remand one of them who say self defense o wa wo ye MP a wo sanso ye minister ananka sebe nsem bi si a one nkrofo be kasa o monto mo bo asese no te say won po de wa twe etuo first asem way he on whatever levels or grounds you want to speak, you want to say, you want to talk about this man, you want to defend the woman, deep down you know say adie we am amene ye no enye. I have people who are strong MPP people. Ah wo mo dia wo mo kan ene say de mamene ye na enye wo mo dia ne say ase mami ya na ye de abefore eye Ekufuado. That's what the person said. Osu bon say Ekufuado tini baby dwe ne ho na wo bia koye bibi say ya na de abehye Ekufuado. And what the person is saying is right. It is right. President Ekufuado tini baby dwe ne ho. Na wa be ya de we ye de be hye no. Ya de be hye no. Hi, one time I be on comment box no more.